Hello everyone. Now we will study about recent constitutional developments, judicial pronouncements, constitutional morality, and transformative constitutionalism in India. So, recent constitutional developments. In recent years, the Supreme Court of India has played a major role in interpreting the Constitution of India and expanding rights. So, some of the key developments are: first is right to privacy 2017. In Justice K.S. Puttaswamy versus Union of India, the Supreme Court declared the right to privacy as a fundamental right under Article 21. Second is decriminalization of homosexuality 2018. In Navtej Singh Johar versus Union of India, the court struck down a section 377 of the Indian Penal Code to the extent it criminalized consensual same-sex relations. Third is Aadhaar Judgment 2018. In K.S. Puttaswamy versus Union of India Aadhaar, the court upheld the constitutional validity of Aadhaar Act with certain restrictions. Then Sabarimala Temple Entry Case 2018. In Indian Young Lawyers Association versus State of Kerala, the court allowed women of all ages to enter the Sabarimala temple. And the abrogation of Article 370 2019 to 23, the constitutional validity of removing the special status of Jammu and Kashmir was upheld in 2023 by the Supreme Court of India. Now let us talk about important judicial pronouncements. Several landmark judgments have shaped constitutional interpretation. First is basic structure doctrine established in Keshavanand Bharati versus State of Kerala, and the parliament cannot alter the basic structure of the constitution. Second is judicial review strengthened in Minerva Mills versus Union of India case, and it ensured balance between fundamental rights and directive principles. Third is right to privacy. It recognized as a fundamental right in Justice K.S. Puttaswamy versus India of Union of India. And fourth is gender equality and rights. Cases like Navtej Singh Johar versus Union of India expanded equality and dignity. These decisions show the evolving nature of the Constitution of India. Now let us talk about constitutional morality. Constitutional morality means adherence to the values and principles of the Constitution, even if they conflict with social traditions and majority opinions. Concept is emphasizes rule of law, equality, liberty, and justice, requires institutions and citizens to act according to constitutional principles. Origin is the idea was discussed by B.R. Ambedkar during the debates of the Constituent Assembly of India. Application in court judgments. The concept was strongly used in cases like Navtej Singh Johar versus Union of India, Indian Young Lawyers Association versus State of Kerala. The courts emphasized that constitutional values should prevail over discriminatory social customs. Now let us talk about transformative constitutionalism. Transformative constitutionalism means using the Constitution of India as a tool to transform society and promote justice, equality, and dignity. Key ideas. Constitution is a living document. It aims to transform India from a hierarchical society to an egalitarian one. Court interpret constitutional rights progressively. Now, role of judiciary. The Supreme Court of India has used this principle in several judgments. Example: expanding right to privacy, recognizing LGBTQ plus rights, strengthening gender equality. These interpretations help the Constitution adapt to modern democratic values and social justice. Now, importance in modern constitutional law. These concepts ensure that the Constitution of India protects individual rights and freedoms, promotes social justice and equality, adapts to changing social conditions, guides the judiciary in progressive interpretation. Now, summarize it quickly. Now, the recent constitutional developments, they are the new judicial interpretations expanding rights, judicial pronouncements, landmark court, Supreme Court judgments shaping constitutional law, constitutional morality, following constitutional values over social traditions, transformative constitutionalism using the Constitution to transform society. Thank you.